Hello guys, this is Programming Buggy and I'll be showing you how this is set up. Now this is a banking program that allows people to take out loans on a game I play. However, it is not complete and I think I moved it to another folder so some parts may not work. However, I will be showing you parts that do work. So the first thing you notice here is it says username. I've already typed my username in, then it asks you for a 4-digit PIN. Let's go ahead and enter the 4-digit PIN. I made it a simple PIN. It's going to ask me, does it want me to remember my username and password? No, I do not. Welcome, Buggy the Man. As you can tell, it takes the username that I entered and actually stores it as a session variable, which allows me to welcome myself. And I think the third video, I showed you how to move a variable from a PHP to HTML. That's what's done here. We at Buggy Bank would like to give you a warm and welcome. Let's go ahead and click take a loan. It tells me again my username is Buggy the Man. So I am going to go ahead and enter a loan of 100. I'm not sure if it still works. Send, and up here it's supposed to. Well, I don't know if that still works, but let me show you the code now. Up here is where the login is made, so make sure you can see it. You're going to need to zoom in a little more. Okay. Oh, not that much, not that much. Alright, so, okay, cool. We have the session set up so that if the login fails, the session login fail equals login failed, which is set somewhere else, then echo session login failed. Otherwise, just set session login fail as that. Else echo nothing. So this is actually not done right. So it's this is actually the name of the session variable. So I named it login fail. And if it equals login failed, then it goes ahead and echoes it out as login failed. And login failed equals whatever. So that's not actually done right. That's actually just to get you rolling in case. Alright, so we have the HTML, we have the title, login, the style sheet, the Banky CSS, the header. At the body, we have a div ID equals content. I was showing you before. Content can be used for many things. A form action of check PHP. Method of post. Now, the post has to be in all caps, just like this. Check.php is another file I have on my server that allows me to check if the login failed or not before I send them to the next page. Username, then the input type equals text, name of the username. Then I have the PIN, which is input type password, which makes it stars instead of showing the text. That's important to know because with many passwords, you want an input type of password. Name equals PIN. That allows me to use it in a PHP page where I'm transferring data. Input type equals submit. That makes a submit button, and it just says login. So that's that page. Let's go to Jesus Christ. Okay. Next page I wanted to show you was the. I'm not going to show you the check yet because it might confuse a bunch of you. The next page I wanted to show you was the actual buggy bank.php. So we have here the same setup except for it's calling their username from. Wait, is this the right one? Okay. No, it is not. I don't think. Let's see. Is it? It's main.php. My bad. I'm not claiming to be professional. Okay. So the next thing we have is the username is set as username. It's whatever I entered into the right now. If it's blank, then it sends you back to login.php. That's all that does. This whole thing right here. Just check this username is blank, and it shouldn't be a $sign right here. But if the variable username is blank, it sends you back to PHP. And otherwise, this is actually how it's supposed to be written. Welcome equals that. That's actually how it's supposed to be written, not like this. This is incorrect because, first of all, session is not capitalized. Second of all, there's a $sign in there. So I'll probably fix that later. All this does is welcome you to the bank and use your username. Use your username to welcome you to whatever bank it is. Okay. Next thing is the loan form, which is connected to the bank. This is actually not a real username. This is not real, so you can't use it to log into anything. But we have our connection, SQLi connect, the server and all that, whatever not. Then we have the loan to escape the string, the real MySQL real escape string, and it comes as a variable called $loan. And then we have the date, which allows me to enter a date. This thing's breaking. Hold on. Enter a date into the loan. So I know when you took out the loan and when it needs to be paid back. SQL2, select users from where username equals user. So it switches out where your username is and puts it and looks for anything that's your user. And this is the part that's incomplete. So yeah, I'll end this video here. And if you need more information, just contact me. My email is in the about section. So yeah, thank you.